How to delete Instagram search suggestions. Let's get started. Launch your Instagram app. You'll land to the home page. Now navigate to the profile page. Click on the profile icon given at the bottom right corner. Once you're on the profile page, click on three bars given at the top right corner. Different sections will appear. Under how you use Instagram, you'll find the option of your activity. Click on it. Now scroll all the way down. Now navigate to the option recent searches. Now here you're going to find all of your search list. Now what you want to do is click on the option of clear all, clear search history. Click on clear all. Just for that you have cleared recent searches. Now hit back, go to the settings and activity page, scroll all the way down, click on the option help, select the option report a problem, click on report problem without shaking, click on turn include and continue. Now here you have to briefly explain about the issue. Mention that you don't want any Instagram search suggestions while you are searching. So this is how you can easily delete Instagram search suggestions. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.